welcome Nazma. Congratulations on getting All India rank 75 in this year GATE from ECE branch.
Yes,
I
sir.
think you
Thank
are our offline student.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have done your BTech from IIT Bhubaneswar.
IIT Bhubaneswar, sir.
Oh, good. What was your study plan and schedule during when you are preparing for the GATE examination?
Like my main aim was to crack ESC this time. So since the subjects were common, I have attempted for GATE as well as my backup plan. Just if in case, in the worst case, also I must be having a backup plan. So I have like opted to attempt GATE as well. Since the technical portion is almost all common, so it had been like helpful, and like most of the time I used to refer the notes, and then uh, like whenever I have time I used to make short notes and refer that short notes before solving the problems, and then I used to do PYQs. uh, PYQs give us more clarity about the topic, and if I'm missing out on anything I used to check the solution and go through it and understand it. And in the end I wrote test series, so which was also helpful to analyze myself through how far I have come.
How you manage your time in prioritizing the subjects, basics, next level subjects? What you have done?
Yeah, I used to prioritize. I focused on mathematics, which I'm good at. uh, from the beginning itself I'm really good at mathematics, so I aimed that I have to get complete full in the mathematics. So like those are the like, if we put some effort it was easy to gain those full marks in the maths and aptitude. So that was my initial start towards the like paper. Whenever I attempt also I do the same. And later on I was good at controls, I was really good at networks and signals as well. So digital and analog as well, these five subjects, like if we like master or do good practice, they have the collective weightage is really good. So maths, aptitude, and these five subjects will help us go through. And among communication, EDC and EMTL, I was little like struggling there to remember the content in it. Communication, unfortunately, I lost more marks in the communication itself, so I couldn't do much about it in the exam. I lost more marks in the communication, but coming to EDC, I gained well. So EMTL also, I tried my best in the exam. Like even there were little bit like minuses in the time of preparation. At the time of exam I gave my best on that day, which was possible based on the classes I have like heard and all the material I have gone through. So
How you actually prepared your short notes when the subject is going on or after studying particular topic?
yeah, for few of the subjects I have made the short notes when the subject is going on itself, for EMTL, analog, and control. And for remaining subjects, like since I have to prepare for the like non-technical portion as well, so that by hearting of the general studies portion, that took more time for me. So I used to have less time when the technical subjects are happening. So at the time of preparing and doing my PYQs only, I tried to manage the short notes thing. In the end only I wrote for remaining subjects.
Have you followed any strategy when you are attempting this ACE online test series?
Strategy in the sense, yes, sir. I used to solve maths and aptitude where I get that like good start with the paper. Then I used to go for networks first. Networks was my I'm very good at it, so I'm very clear about it as well. Because it was my first subject I started revising, so I used to solve networks first, and then like these five subjects I used to start first, sir. Because sometimes the communication, EDC, and EMTL questions, sometimes they might be like lengthy like that. So even though communication has like half of the portion of communication was easy only, but in the attempting phase, I wouldn't go directly onto the communication questions. I first solve these digital analog control signals and the those.
How ACE test series really helped you in writing this GATE exam?
Yeah, the subject wise test series were helpful because in the initial stage we wouldn't be good at all the subjects at once. So after preparing one subject and writing that subject grant test would be helpful. So in that manner, the subject wise test series was helpful for me. In the end, the collective test series as well, but the subject wise test series gives us it is like finishing our checklist one after one, it will be like that. So
So in your preparation, have you dedicated your complete time only for studies or some time enjoyment period also?
uh, yes sir, there were times which it's not like waste, but somehow we are not completely perfect in all ways.
Yes.
There is time which goes out of control as well, but still we have to come back and give that time for this thing which we are preparing for. So
What are your favorite subjects?
my favorite subject was networks, sir.
Okay.
Networks and controls were my favorite.
Very good. Very good.
Analog as well, but networks and control marks wise also I scored well, and it was from the beginning itself it was good in those
Good.
two.
Good.
So
What are the toughest challenges you have faced and how did you overcome in your preparation?
the first challenges were sometimes it was hard to balance both the non-technical and technical, sir. So that was since I was preparing for engineering services. There is not only technical portion, but non-technical also I have to take care of. So it was more of like balancing both of those. So that was hard. I felt like
How do you got motivated and focused towards your studies?
uh, it's more like necessity, sir. I have to get on this phase of life and start my new beginnings, and I have to explore the opportunities out there. So it's more like necessity than like motivation and all.
Can you give some tips who are willing to prepare for GATE or any competitive exam? Any
Uh, identify in which subjects you're strong at, and master them first, and then go for the new topics and all. And don't uh, like stress on yourself in the initial days onto the subjects which are hard. So go with the easier ones first, and also check on the weightage of the topics which they carry, and then start preparing is what I could say.
are you willing to go for a PSU or any particular specialization you want to do MTech masters?
Uh, like currently my aim was to crack ESC only. So in the worst case, I will think about the PSUs.
Hmm. How is academy and faculty really good for you?
Coming to the faculty, they're really good at expressing themselves. They put out the content in a very structured manner, which helps us grasp in the proper coordinated way. Like the synchronization is good between the student and the teacher who teaches. So uh, it is more like what I felt was the subject is all the subjects have their bulky parts in the content wise, but when someone explains it to you, as human beings, when someone explains it to you, it will be easier to absorb. Of course, reading books and all also helps us absorb things, but since it is a competitive exam, the time frame and all we have to manage. So I felt like if someone explains it to us, it would be helpful. So that I have joined coaching personally.
In a single word, what you can say for future aspirants regarding preparation of any competitive?
Uh, like we shouldn't give up till the last minute of the exam. As many of the teachers at say, we shouldn't give up till the last minute of the exam.
Okay,
So
once
we
again,
have to try till the last minute.
ah,
At any cost, we have to try till the last minute. Then, like the work we do, result is not in our hands. Like only
so
the
we
work
use it
we could do
to
is in
observe.
our
We use it
hands.
to observe you because you use it to sit in the beginning benches,
Yeah.
be
Yes.
dedicated and focused towards your studies. Once after
Yes. Yes.
completion of any specific topic, you use it to write important relations and formulas. We use it to observe you.
Yes.
Clearly. Okay. Once again, congratulations, Nazma, on achieving All India rank 75. Your
Thank you, sir.
patience
Thank
and
you.
persistence have paid off. God bless you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.